So I just removed the clutches on this. They're in halves. There's 2 discs, 2 halves per disc, with a steel plate in between them. So I pulled them out. I soaked them in gas and set them on fire, trying to get any oil out of them. I sanded both faces of the steels, trying to get this to grip a little bit better. So all I had to do was remove these 8 bolts. This ring you can slide out of the way, and then you can pull the clutches out from the top. And I had a little bit of trouble getting these teeth lined up and that ring slid back on. And then I'm also going to, you can see there's one missing here. I took it out and I made some new ones, because as you can see, the old one it's flat on more than one spot. So I made new ones. Doing all this to just try to make this forward clutch grab, because I got to get up the hill. So I'm going to work on replacing these 4 rollers on this side. And then this is your adjuster for the clutch. I can't show you, but there's a little pin in the side here, spring-loaded pin. You pull that out and then use a spanner wrench, and you can turn this ring to adjust it, and then the next hole that's in the side here, that little spring-loaded pin will fall back in. And then for these to cam over, these rollers come up into the top part of this cone, and it'll lock the lever in. So I'm going to replace these 4 rollers and then adjust the clutch, hopefully. So after a lot of adjusting, actually backing it off, I can now get it to cam over. That's locked in. That's unlocked. Cammed over. Unlocked. So we'll see how that works out. It seems like maybe they kept tightening the clutch up to make up for it not grabbing. Hopefully sanding down those faces and trying to get all the oil out of the frictions will make this grab. Locked in. Now I gotta do the other side of it.